In this video, I will show you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Now, there's two ways in order for you to reply to a message. The first thing to do is to go to your message right here, or you can just swipe it to the right. Now, you just have to pick a message. Now, in order for you to reply to a message, the first way is to swipe right, and then you can now reply to a message. Let's say right here. The next way is to press it down or hold it down and then click on the reply button right here. Now you can also reply to this message using this method. Another thing is you can also use this method on photos like this one. You just have to swipe it to the right and then you can reply to a photo, or you can just press it down or hold it down in order for you to reply to a message. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!